slowly breathing. I'm feeling your go school. Doing on Doris, scarf is freezing. Don't know what I'm saying, don't know what I'm feeling. Oh yeah. Oh my God.
Now, something a bit different, collecting this car for Aaron, just to bring it home, give it a good scrub out, clean out, put some plastics in, get it all cleaned up. It's absolutely filthy. So yeah, let's pop the bonnet, get the battery connected. Oh, look at that freshness. Right, connect this battery up and get it started. For an old car that's only built, a bit dirty on the inside, minty fresh on the outside, start it up straight away. Let's get this bonnet closed and let's head off.
That's just a stupid boulder.
It's not just a boulder. It's a rock.
So, good morning everybody. It's bright and early. We have the 300 at the house, and what we're going to do is clean it because the interior is an absolute mess. We need to fix some wiring as well. Aaron hasn't got the time to do it. He asked me could I do it, so it's a lovely Saturday and we're going to get a bit done. So, let's get to it. So, first off on the agenda is to empty the interior out. So we have all these plastics and stuff, kiddos see all the stuff from there, and then all the crap from the back, and then all the crap from the boot. So yeah, let's get all of this out.
Me back is slowly breaking now. Cause I carry all the weight of the world on my shoulders. I know I'm gonna make it out. Ain't nobody gonna stop us, they gon' do as I told them. Back is slowly breaking now. Cause I carry all the weight of the world on my shoulders. I know I'm gonna make it out. Ain't nobody gonna stop us, they gon' do as I told them.
So that's the first door done. We do need to wet vac this cloth area, so let's get to the rest of the interior.
We got too much to lose, we got too much to gain, so the truth may be told.
It's actually not going to come up too bad. Let's get it all done.
On a little mad one right now, who's gonna stop me? No one's gonna stop me. Running through them all these little muppets, come and get that chin check real quick. Like how you gonna off me? I'm the fucking boss, we run this whole shit, don't ever try cross me. End up on the floor, crease you, really don't know what you want.
Now we're at the driver's side, time to fix all this mess. Now what I done was I just separated all the wires, connected them all together, cable tied them, and tied them all up to the steering column. So it's a lot tidier, none of them are at your feet, and the cover will go over this nice and flush. So let's get to hoovering this mess.
Watch out who you're talking to. You ain't messing with the squad if you're testing us at all. There's a 6-foot hole you can fall into. Look, you need to keep push. A fish with his mouth closed never gets hooked. You don't really want this smoke. You don't really got them lungs. You ain't really got it like that, but we got it like that, and you can't take that from us. You ain't got the bottle like that when we're shotting right back. See them dropping that.
Yeah, with the mammoth task of doors, floors. Now it's the dash. Ugh. Center console is absolutely filthy, so is everything over here, so let's get scrubbing.
Them written, just bitten, the difference. We flip them, you're skidding, them kicks is too slow for the clutch. You're gloating too much. We thought it was feeling you, you're the much. All them on the bunch is fake. Quasimodo had a hunch. Pull up the lads in the foul, there ain't nobody that's colder. Why are the world on my shoulders? At least that's what I told her. It's not just a boulder.
But what the fuck does that even mean?
It's a rock, pull up the bread and all the boats flop. Free me G's, A's, B's, C's, every letter on the block. You know what I mean? Have your friends, you round the thing.
Now that's the interior done. All I need to do is just clean up a bit, get the power washer out and give it a good blast, give it a good clean. Then find all the trim panels that need to go into the interior and all the exterior panels that need to go back on. And then I need to go get some dash shine, some stuff you spray on, you wipe it off with a certain cloth, and it leaves the dash really shiny and clean. So I'm just going to wash up, clean up outside, get the power washer out and wash the car. So yeah, we didn't get the power washer out. Had to bring that bad boy in a spin, give it some revs. And yeah, it rips. It's a quick car. It's a bit smoky, so he's going to have to look into that. He says it might just be oil sitting in the exhaust because he got the turbos rebuilt and there was loads of oil in the exhaust. He couldn't get it out, so it might need to burn off. So it might be that and it might not be that because it's had a full fresh build and he's hoping it's not anything serious. So anywho, a different part of the video now. We're going to grab the battery out of the 300ZX, head off to Aaron's and grab my new Mini. So yeah, I'm going to bring jump blades with me as well, just in case, because it's a 1380 race engine with a race head on it and it's very difficult to start. So we're going to head, get some petrol, get the battery, jump blades and head over and grab this Mini. Now, petrol can and wallet in hand. Let's go get petrol and fill the Mini up with about €10 worth of petrol.
A few moments later.
Very windy and rainy today. Bit of a fail. Went over to start the Mini to drive it back to the garden and it wouldn't start. So we're getting it lifted by a tow truck today and I am just going to clean up all this mess, open the side gate, get all the mess behind that cleared up so the Mini can go out the back. Because as you can see, I don't have any room, not even for Fiat in the garden. So yeah, let's get all this tidied up. Now with all that mess cleared up, I can open this gate and put all this stuff away and then clear a path for the Mini. So most of the mess is cleaned up. I moved everything over, cleaned up all that, filled the bins. Gonna lock this side entrance and go out in the Mini. We know when we want to have lunch, we have a table. Solid piece of engineering there. So we made it. The 3 cars made it out here. Let's have a look around. Right, back to the lovely Irish weather. We got back from the show there, didn't really film much, but we are heading over to meet the tow truck driver to get this Mini hooked up and brought back to the garden. So let's go. That's the Mini up on the old flatbed. Let's get back to the garden and get it out the back. You know, shout out to Steve-O at SR Auto Repairs. So the Mini's in the garden and this is twin pipes coming off and it's going on that, and that's coming off and it's going on that. So yeah, let's get this out the back. So get the back gate open, get the Mini out, and it's gonna live right here on this board. So I'm gonna put the board down and get the Mini here now. Now, Mini is there, gonna lock up. It's very windy, very stormy, and leave it at that. So that's it, just need to get a cover for the Mini. We're going to cover it up for a while. That's the next project, well, after the other projects that we have. This project, the Fiat, my Mini, so much to do. So yeah, come back on the next episode where we're going to be finishing off all the paneling and making the front section for the garage with the door opening, and then we can park this Mini in there and then we can get the steel length across and sort money for the roof. But yeah, I'm happy I have the Mini over here now. We have to cut down some more bushes, get these panels up and get the roof sorted, and then we're golden. So yeah, loads went on in this video. We went on spins in the Mini, we done the stuff out the back garden, done stuff with this Mini, the 300ZX, just a lot all over the place. But yeah, we're rocking on. So yeah, peace out, be dedicated, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Don't forget, hit that subscribe button, let us know what you think of the channel and the builds that we have. Can't wait to get this Mini sorted. I might put those twin pipes on my Mini with the louver, maybe even the roof rack. But yeah, this Mini needs a lot of work. We're going to do a video on this Mini next, show you what it needs done. And yeah, she's looking sweet and she needs a good sand down, a good clean and a repaint. So yeah, check back for that in the next video. Peace.
Shook to the bone, top of a rapper, don't fuck with them though. Half your tongues are stuck to the snow. Bit of that and the dumb of the go. Mad how many heads you can turn without even ducking the shoulders.
You know that I know that we stay on top. Young flies act up, get smacked up, then go call the cops. Brought an army to stop us, but that's not enough. Said they want war, but run off when them lost show up. You got a couple mates in the trap house, fucking with the weight till it's passed out. I'm in the boot spitting fire till I'm passed out. You're in a room with a spliff getting passed round, getting passed out. Act up and it's a man down. Don't be coming around with your hands out looking for a handout, running like a track hound. Shouldn't throw stones if you live in a glass house. Look up on Cable Street, a couple favours beat out to me, better watch your tone, bro. Go get your mate to see a couple crazy G's appear when they get on the phone. Oh, you don't wanna know now that you know now that it's them lot on the road, man. Where's your backbone gone? Cause before the call you were giving loads. Like, what you wanna know about my life? I come alive in the night time, never shy away from